Today I'm reviewing the Poetic case for the iPad 2019 10.2 inch made by Poetic. I was contacted by Kelvin from Poetic Cases, and he asked me if I would be interested in reviewing and testing their case. So, since I was looking for a case online, it's pretty difficult to find these since this iPad just came out. I found about 2 versions on Amazon and 1 version on eBay. And I didn't like the look of them, but I really like the look of this now that I'm looking at it. Wow, it looks fantastic. And it is one of those cases where you can flip it around 360 and make a stand out of it. And to get it in, you have to undo from the bottom right corner of the case and just pull very gently and put the top glass piece of the case on your iPad, unlike what I did in the video here. Or you can do it this way too, but it's more difficult. Just make sure you wipe off all the dust on your iPad screen and fingerprints before you put the case on. Otherwise, they're going to be stuck there. And just press it on. And eventually all the pieces go into place. And this is what it looks like with the iPad in it. Bam. I think it looks awesome. It looks very professional. It's even got a spot for your iPen, the iPad or iPhone pen. You can turn on, all the buttons are accessible. The back looks amazing. It's pretty heavy, pretty thick too. Thick back, all your ports are open. Every single port's open, even your camera ports and your microphone port are open. Volume and power button are accessible as well, and headphone jack. Everything seems to be pretty responsive still, even with the plastic tempered glass screen protector on it. I'm able to move, I'm able to swiftly open apps. This one's the clock and the timer, and the timer you can also, hit the lap button. Bam, I was able to hit it. Bam, I was able to hit it again. It popped up instantly. I was having no trouble. I didn't have to add any additional pressure to the screen, and it worked. Alright everyone, we're doing the drop test on the Poetic iPad 2019 10.2 inch case. Here we go. Will it still work? And you heard that big loud thump? Let's see. Is the screen damaged at all? Looks like the screen's not damaged one bit. I'm going to tap on it a few times. Make sure all the buttons still work on it. There we go. Got Ricky Gervais's speech up. Is the screen still responsive? Absolutely. Let's bring up GarageBand, and I'm going to hit the volume button's working. Yep, volume button works fine. It's loading a song. Can I still tap on the screen and get different instruments to work? Looks like everything works on it, even the power button. Yep, power button turns off. It didn't break, so yeah, I am 5'6", 5'7", and this is supposed to last, I believe, up to 5 feet, 10 feet, something like that. And it's supposed to be able to last, you should be able to do this and just throw it down on the ground and it shouldn't break it at all. So yeah, I think Poetic is a great case. You just saw me drop it, and I'm pretty happy with it. So thank you, Poetic, for sending me this awesome case.